to also know why specifically the spring equinox chosen was the African New Year, and what does it represent spiritually?
Oh, remember that Africa, before it was colonized, it had its own systems. And one of those fundamental system was the calendar. As evidence, by what we call Inzalo Elanga, because Inzalo Elanga is the oldest known, calendar in the world. So therefore, these are systems that when the colonizer came here, made us, to forget by hiding them, So therefore, it's important for us to realign with that calendar. Not only South Africans, but the whole Africa is affected, by the energy of the Southern Hemisphere. All of Africa is affected. So therefore, this is truly an African, Kemet African, calendar, which should be embraced by all calendars. The calendar that we are selling currently, it's an interpretation of the movement of the sun, as marked by those megalithic, blocks of stones in Inzalo Elanga. So that is the most important, and this is the oldest calendar in the world, meaning that all calendars took from this one to try and realign, even though we know that the calendars that came after we were following this one misaligned us. So therefore, we are misaligned ever since we were colonized. We've been misaligned until Babu Credo came, and taught us about this important, sacred site at Inzalo Elanga.